Be sure to stay tuned after the video because I'm going to do some shout-outs.
Hello, reading friends, and welcome to Awnie's Kitchen. Today I've got 3 cute helpers that are going to help me make a great Valentine tree. Okay, everybody got clean hands?
Yeah.
All right, what are we making?
Chocolate heart pretzels.
Woo! All right, let's get started.
Awnie's house.
We're going to start with a lined cookie sheet. Okay, guys, we're going to put the pretzels on. Okay, good job.
I got a happy one.
Oh my gosh, it is a happy one.
We're doing the pattern.
I like it. Okay, we've got our pretzels on the tray all ready to go. And then in bags, in plastic bags, we put some chocolate melting wafers and some white chocolate melting wafers. And we're gonna put them in the microwave for 30 seconds so they're just right and ready to drizzle. Okay, who wants to taste a wafer, a chocolate wafer? Okay. One for you, and one for you. Are they good? Oh yeah. Okay, let's do this. Our white chocolate chips are melted and we're gonna clip the bag. So we have a little hole that we can drizzle out of, and we're gonna put a clip on. Okay.
You're doing too.
Good job. Push it hard. Good. Okay, we're gonna let Lil start first. Oh yeah. Nice job. Okay, now let's give it to Callie to do one. Nice. Okay, let's let Blake have a turn. Ooh, fancy. I like your creativity. All right, then we're gonna take a heart. We're gonna put one in the middle of our pretzel.
A red one because red are hearts.
Nice.
No,
I like
I closed my eyes.
it. Okay. Oh, that looks so good, guys. Beautiful. All right, let's melt the chocolate. All right, now we've got our chocolate wafers melted, and Blake is gonna cut the tip for us. We actually had to melt it a couple of times. Every microwave is different, so you might need to put it in 2 or 3 times at 30 seconds. All right, and our clip, Callie's gonna do her clip. That's melted really well. Okay, put the clip up here, Callie. Up here, higher. Higher, higher, little higher, little higher, little higher, little higher. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, Lily, you wanna do a chocolate one?
Wow, Will's doing it so much.
Okay.
That's enough.
Nice. And here are our finished chocolate heart pretzels. All right, guys, you wanna take a taste? Let's see how good they are. We hope you had fun cooking with us today. See you next time.
All right, are you ready for some shout-outs? Today they're going out to Isaac, Ada, and David in California, London and Julian in Nashville, Tennessee, Amelia Oliver in Buffalo, New York, Katalea and Jotham in Florida, Lily and Kate in Trumbull, Connecticut, Blue and Ruby Evans in Granville, France, Yambane, Yambankude, and Yamban Kong in Kirksville, Missouri, Cassidy and Gavin in Springville, Pennsylvania, Rain and River in California, Oliver and Madeline in Massachusetts, Nicholas in New York, Case and Arya and Zayan in Denver, Colorado, Eva and Elena in California, Addison in Nebraska, Penelope and Julia in California, Suki, Sumi, and Musa in Toronto, Canada, Cade, Lily, Tucker, and Asher in Salt Lake City, Utah, Valentina and little Gino in Sullivan, Missouri, Promise Emery in New Jersey, Cade in Greenville, South Carolina, Haley and Eli in Washington State, John and Angel in Kissimmee, Florida, Caspian in San Antonio, Texas, Emmy and Scotty in Slayton, Texas, Grace M. in Chicago, Illinois, Abby and Colton in Marengo, Illinois, Ifra and Ayad in Houston, Texas, Thiago in Salem, Oregon, Sebastian and Julian in Toronto, Canada, as well as Amira Mohammed in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Hello to each and every one of you, my good friends. I hope you enjoyed cooking with us today. See you next time.